On behalf of the committee, as we know that the judgment is reserved, and they've indicated that they will give the judgment by the end of next week. So we do have a meeting scheduled for Wednesday. That meeting continues. We have long said as the committee that until such time that the competent court can stop or indicate that we must not proceed. What's also encouraging, at least for me as a chairperson, is the final inputs by the President's Council that indicates that the work of the committee so far as the preparatory work, so the appointment of the evidence leaders, the preparation of the witnesses, the finalization of the terms of reference, and all the work, they are not seeking to interdict it. But in any case, we're not going to stop until the court has made a determination. But the work continues. We are now looking at the nominations of the evidence leaders. So we have received nominations from the political parties, as we indicated that political parties will make nominations. So I've also had a conversation with the Constitutional Legal Services Office to say that they must start looking at the nominees that have come from the political parties to see which of the senior counsel are available to do this task. Because given that it's not a short process, so someone needs to give up their time to be able to serve their country as an evidence leader. And we had also agreed that in the last meeting that once we have the evidence leader, together with the evidence leader, we'll then appoint the assistant evidence leader. So that process will only commence once the evidence leader is confirmed by the committee in terms of the recommendation. So the actual appointment will be done by Parliament. So as a committee, we'll recommend a person to be appointed as the evidence leader, but the actual appointment will be done by Parliament. So that work, we're kind of confident that by next week, Wednesday, the 22nd of July, that we'll get closer to knowing who's going to lead evidence in this regard.
Chairperson, in terms of the terms of reference, how far is the committee on that? And then also, a massive sticking point in the ad hoc committee was the lack of a forensic investigator. Is this something that your committee is